This is Ken Warner. Sleeping. He barely looks alive because his rise and falls of his chest is very, as you can see, decreased. Jesus Christ, looking from here, he looks like he's fucking red. We're trying to get a scenario on camera. Oh, we got it. There we go. He's having a terrifying nightmare, you can tell. He's snorting a bunch. Brienne over here. She's trying to hide herself. I've got a leash at the Ranny. But the real deal is this. Ken Warner. I wish I could fucking zoom in on it. That's pretty blurry. I don't know why it's so blurry. Do you know why? Why? You can't adjust the video? Oh, let's get another one. Let's get another one of them. There he goes. Let's get closer. Look at the cat. This is going on YouTube and Facebook for sure. Let's take a look at his chicken legs. Look at those. The beast has been. Dominica Lewis. Ken Warner, age 50 years old. Chronic sleep apnea, but undiagnosed. He's a special human. He's a red complexion